There were reports from Hawthorne County and Bradford County of unknown life forms entering into people's homes and killing them in order to mimic them, so that they can kill their next victim. The HCPD has recorded about 1,934 deaths, while the ACPD recorded about 1,882 deaths. For now they are only in Hawthorne County and Bradford County, but news gathered in Italy about life forms entering into people's homes. We can only advise you to stay indoors, secure all entrances, and grab a loaded firearm, possibly a handgun, or a durable weapon. If a life form enters your home, do not try to communicate with the life form. It will get worse. But you have to stay quiet as possible, and hide somewhere out of sight.